Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Here's a question most people never ask. Why does money move fast for some people and slowly for others? It's not intelligence. It's not luck. Fire its friction. Today I introduce a brand new framework. High voltage sign, the financial friction law. This explains why removing resistance multiplies wealth faster than working harder. Medium white star section 1. What is financial friction? Financial friction is anything that delays decisions, complicates action, creates leakage, increases effort, slows money movement. High friction slows wealth. Low friction accelerates it. Medium white star section 2. Common sources of financial friction most people have. Crossmark, too many bank accounts. Crossmark, unclear spending rules. Crossmark, manual processes. Crossmark, emotional decisions. Crossmark, disorganized finances. Money avoids chaos. Medium white star section 3. The financial friction law explained. Fire. The financial friction law states, wealth flow is inversely proportional to friction. The less resistance money meets, the faster it compounds. Medium white star section 4. The friction zones. Zone 1. Decision friction, too many choices, no rules. Hesitation fix with clear policies. Counterclockwise arrows. Zone 2. Process friction, manual saving, delayed investing, human forgetfulness fix with automation. Zone 3. Emotional friction, fear, guilt, impulse fix with discipline and identity clarity. Zone 4. Structural friction, poor systems, cluttered finances, complexity fix with simplification. Medium white star section 5. How to remove financial friction. Keycap 1. Simplify accounts. Keycap 2. Automate money movement. Keycap 3. Set non-negotiable rules. Keycap 4. Reduce choices. Keycap 5. Design money paths. Smooth systems build wealth. Medium white star section 6. Signs friction is reduced. White heavy checkmark. Faster decisions. White heavy checkmark. Smoother cash flow. White heavy checkmark. Reduce stress. White heavy checkmark. Consistent growth. White heavy checkmark. Predictable outcomes. Bullseye conclusion. Money does not like resistance. Fire. It flows where movement is easy. Apply the financial friction law and watch wealth accelerate.